As energy costs continue to rise and environmental concerns grow, energy-efficient replacement windows have become a smart investment for homeowners in Washington. These windows provide significant benefits, including improved comfort, lower energy bills, and a reduced carbon footprint. If you're considering upgrading your home, energy-efficient windows are one of the best ways to boost your home's performance while contributing to a greener environment. In this article, we will explore why more homeowners in Washington are making the switch to energy-efficient replacement windows and the advantages they offer in terms of savings, comfort, and overall home value. Lower energy bills. One of the primary reasons homeowners in Washington are upgrading to energy-efficient replacement windows is the potential for significant energy savings. In a city where weather conditions can be unpredictable, with cold winters and hot summers, energy-efficient windows help regulate your home's indoor temperature, reducing the load on your heating and cooling systems. Reduced heat loss. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced features such as double or triple glazing, argon gas fills, and low-E coatings to reduce heat transfer. These features help to keep the warm air inside during the winter and block the sun's heat during the summer, making it easier for your HVAC system to maintain a comfortable temperature. Lower heating and cooling costs. With less energy being lost through inefficient windows, your HVAC system doesn't need to work as hard to regulate indoor temperatures. As a result, you'll see lower heating and cooling costs, saving money on your monthly energy bills. Switching to energy-efficient windows can have a significant impact on your long-term energy savings, making it one of the most cost-effective upgrades for your home. Improved indoor comfort. In addition to saving on energy bills, energy-efficient windows also contribute to a more comfortable living environment. Washington's climate can vary greatly throughout the year, and maintaining a consistent indoor temperature can be challenging. Replacement windows designed with energy efficiency in mind help stabilize the temperature in your home, eliminating cold drafts or hot spots. Better insulation. Energy-efficient windows offer superior insulation, which helps to keep your home's temperature consistent year-round. This means that rooms near windows are less likely to experience drastic temperature fluctuations, creating a more comfortable living space. Noise reduction. Many energy-efficient windows are also designed with noise-reducing properties, which can help block out unwanted sound from the street, neighbors, or nearby construction. This added benefit helps to create a more peaceful environment in your home. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows ensures a more consistent and comfortable temperature throughout your home, regardless of the season. Environmental benefits. As more homeowners in Washington become conscious of their environmental impact, choosing energy-efficient windows is an easy way to reduce your home's carbon footprint. Traditional windows with poor insulation contribute to higher energy consumption, which leads to more greenhouse gas emissions from power plants. Reduced energy consumption. By reducing the need for heating and cooling, energy-efficient windows decrease the overall energy consumption of your home. This helps to conserve natural resources and minimize your household's contribution to climate change. Sustainable materials. Many energy-efficient windows are made from sustainable materials such as recycled aluminum or wood sourced from responsibly managed forests, further reducing the environmental impact of your home. Upgrading to energy-efficient replacement windows not only makes your home more comfortable but also allows you to contribute to a cleaner, more sustainable environment. Increased home value. Replacing your old, inefficient windows with energy-efficient windows can significantly increase the value of your home. Buyers are becoming more aware of the long-term benefits of energy-efficient features, and windows are a key element that many look for when searching for a new home. Attractive to buyers. Homes with energy-efficient windows stand out in the real estate market. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that will save them money on utilities and provide a more comfortable living environment. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to enhance your home's value, upgrading your windows can provide a solid return on investment. Government rebates and incentives. In some cases, homeowners may be eligible for tax credits or rebates when installing energy-efficient windows. This makes the upgrade even more affordable and adds to the overall value of the investment. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years to come or sell in the near future, energy-efficient replacement windows can improve your property's value and attract potential buyers. Enhanced curb appeal. Beyond the practical benefits, energy-efficient windows can also improve your home's aesthetic appeal. With a variety of styles, colors, and materials to choose from, you can select windows that complement your home's exterior and enhance its overall look. Variety of styles. Whether you prefer the classic look of double-hung windows, the modern design of casement windows, or the expansive views offered by picture windows, there's an energy-efficient option for every home style. Modern technology and design. Many energy-efficient windows feature sleek frames, larger glass areas, and advanced technology that gives your home a more modern, updated appearance. These windows improve not only your home's functionality but also its curb appeal. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is an excellent way to enhance your home's exterior while improving its energy performance. Conclusion. Energy-efficient replacement windows are a smart investment for Washington homeowners looking to save money, improve comfort, and make their homes more sustainable. From lowering energy bills and increasing home value to enhancing comfort and curb appeal, the benefits of upgrading your windows are clear. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you're not only improving your home's performance but also contributing to a greener environment. Whether you're interested in reducing your energy consumption, enhancing your home's aesthetics, or increasing its market value, energy-efficient windows provide lasting benefits that make them an essential upgrade for any Washington homeowner.